Here's my QA tip of the day. When you're in the job market and you're looking at the job descriptions, you're going to see them actually be more specific to maybe a tool or a skill or maybe even a certain software. Let's take Workday, for instance. I've seen job descriptions that actually ask for the use of experience with Workday. You may not have that, right? But what I want you to do, go research it, see what it is and be able to articulate what it is. And then in an interview, be able to speak to how you would think about testing around that actual software. So stop counting yourself out. You need to be looking at these job descriptions. Most of them are wish lists anyways, and you should be able to speak to every single bullet point that's on that job description. Even if you don't have direct experience with it, you should go get knowledge of it. How do you do that? GTS, Google that. And that's the first steps of actually being a great QA, showing that you're an analyst, that you're an engineer, that you think outside of the box. You need to actually start practicing QA now, not just on the job. It's how you actually think about information, finding information, and getting through things when all of the steps aren't clear. These are all qualities that you actually need to show up and be a great QA. So if you see any tools or skills or systems that you're not familiar with on the job description, go look them up and go learn about them so you can speak about them in the interview.